Today we talk about how can you add your birthday on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on photo profile. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on edit. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on birthday here, just click on it, and here can you change your birthday here. So here can you add it in this list, then you click here on change. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.